Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to install basic PHP web development environment in our Linux machine. So as you can see, if we go to the setting, and this is the Ubuntu 18 LTS, and nothing is installed so far. If we press for Apache 2 PHP version, nothing is there. MySQL not found. So yeah, there are multiple ways to do it. Like I have this Vietnamese lamp stack. You can also download it and run it. And we have this SAM for Linux, OS X, and Windows. You can download whatever version you need and you can run it. We can talk about like in upcoming videos like how we're gonna do that using these. But today, what I usually prefer to do that, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna set up that basic things. So few couple of command, you are good to go. So let's run this sudo app install Apache 2. It will ask password, and hit enter. Ask, do you want to continue? Of course, I want to continue. Just wait for a few seconds. That is speed depends on your internet speed as well. So that might differ in your system based on your internet speed. Processing. Okay, I guess it is done now. So if we check here, localhost, yeah, Apache 2 page you can see here once you run this localhost. So Apache is set up now. Apache is installed, and you can see that web page here and where www HTML. I'm in that path, and you can see the index.html file which is coming here. So basically this Apache is running, but PHP is still not installed. So we cannot run index.php file here. So let's do that. Same sudo apt install PHP. Let's check how's that command gonna work. Yes, I want to continue. So these are the packages it is showing here. I'm back in PHP 7.2. So PHP 7.2 is the basic repository which you will get from the Ubuntu when you run that app install PHP. So you can install multiple versions also like PHP 7.1, PHP 7.3, PHP 7.4 based on your project, and you can switch the versions also. So I'll show you in next video maybe. So let's check PHP. Now this is installed PHP version. So what I need to do now is we can check PHP M. So PHP M basically show you all the PHP modules which has installed during this PHP installation. So the purpose of this module is like that, your projects might need some of these, and maybe based on your project it will ask you to install some extra modules. So you do that, like let's say I want to install, there is no zip PHP zip module. So what I will do, PHP 7.2 zip. So basically whatever version you want, you can put it here in this way, PHP 7.2 hyphen zip. So it will install zip module for that particular PHP version. Same way if you want to install for PHP 7.3, 7.4, so you have to change this particular number 7.3, 7.4 based on your requirement. Yes. So if we again run that PHP, so you can see here now this thing has been added to this module list. Great. Okay, so now after installing Apache 2 and PHP, let's install Mysql. So again, sudo apt install Mysql server and hit the password. Yes. Installing. So it is installing by default Mysql server 5.7. Let's wait for a bit. So it is installed now. Now we can check MySQL version. So it is 5.7.33. That's great. So now we can check the installation. Access denied for user root because we didn't set up any password for that. Well, so after installing MySQL, you can see MySQL user root. I'm just trying to log in as a root, but if you remember, we didn't set up any password. So what you are going to put in here, the answer is we have to set up first. So let's do that. So what we are going to do, you have to put this sudo mysql, so you will have that access. Now we have to set up the password for the root user. So what we will do for that, we will alter the user and we will set up root of localhost identified identified with Mysql native password by restricted password only. Now that query has been executed, so let's exit this MySQL. Now MySQL, again I'm trying to log in. Now it is asking for password, so what we have set here is the password. So let's type in here, and now we are logged in. So you can check clear command. We are into MySQL CLI, so obviously that clear command is not going to work. So let's say exit clear MySQL. So now you can check databases here. Nothing is in here. So cool. So this is the basic setup we have done for our Ubuntu machine. Localhost PHP info file. So that PHP info.php. So PHP is running. So this is the version. You can check the ini file here, loaded configuration file. This is the PHP ini file where we do some configuration based on our project requirement. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Let us know if you like that video.